It is something that was missing in this neighborhood. So there are no, I mean, there is, here is library, public library. There's lots of schools here, but there's no like a gallery or something like that. So we decided to work, as we did already before, with community, with our immediate community. So we really engage the people around as much as we can in many participatory ways, not just workshops, but also in some productions of artworks and so on. We also are slowly like building our own collection, let's say. So this is the first work that we actually did. It's a mural by Andrea Resner. It's about building a house, as you can see. She did it for the opening of the space, and the number 5 of the birds is symbolically feminine. This mural is made by Apollonia Lucic, and we did it for our first birthday last year. There is also this small pool, as you can see. It is here. It is made by artist...
Let's go outside to see.
It is made by artist Lana Stojicevic. And Lana actually works a lot. You can see her also in her works in our catalogs, because we often work with her, and this work is actually really in line with her practice, because she is very inspired by the urban degeneration of Dalmatian coasts, where there's no rules, everyone is building whatever. People are inspired by antique elements and so on, so there's lots of humor in it. So when we got here, there was this really ugly hole, like for the portaphone, like there, and we wanted to do something in it. So she saw immediately it could be a pool, because what is a house without a pool? We have also a small pop-up shop where we sell some things from the mostly young artists from Split, but also Croatia. Here is, for example, our schedule for November. As you can see, we have lots of events, mostly workshops, but also exhibitions, reading groups. For example, now we have workshops, ceramics, then we have also a felting workshop for kids, memory quilt making, we had natural cosmetics the other day, so every week we have something, and so we have also a lot of kids coming in, but also different audience groups. And now we also have one project that we do with a High School of Fine Arts with senior years, so 17, 18 years old. It's about cultural management as a profession. So we actually are going every 2 weeks there for a lecture, workshop about different stages of cultural management. So about the space, there you can see the gallery. We can go there now. We don't have like a program full. We really want to work more deeply with some special topics. So we actually frame our program around topics that we decide on a yearly basis. So for example, for this year we had 3 topics: inhabiting space, rituals, and crafts as a form of resilience. So we form exhibitions, workshops, and other programs around it. And we usually have around 6 exhibitions in this program. This is the one interesting room where we are going to be. This is actually an artist studio. So when we have artists in residence, they can use this space for work. We have some basic tools here, yeah, I mean, nowadays we have also a lot of artists that just do research or something, so they don't need that much space. But still, we also do workshops here for kids, ceramics workshops and so on, or we do lectures, meetings and so on. These tables are made by two local artists, Marino, who is now art technician as well, and Tina. And they are made in a way that you can actually form them in different shapes. So now we have a conference table, but you can also just take one piece and work somewhere with that, or we can do smaller tables for workshops and so on.